Hey guys, it's your boy Deb G again. Let's just talk just a little bit more about Agile PMOs, adaptive governance, and the all important value realization. So far, we talked about value realization in terms of process, metrics, and artifacts. Let's talk ceremonies now. In particular, what I like to call the APMO value review, or what I also like to call it is the forensic value analysis. Very, very formal. So, the value review is not really a ceremony, it's a forensic audit of outcomes. We audit and investigate whether or not our outcomes are valuable. Simple as that. Here's what we do every 8 to 12 weeks, or quarterly. Stop me if you know where I'm going with this. The Agile PMO runs a 1 to 2 hour value review. During the review, we examine each epic and associated features like evidence on a table. We ask the questions: what was the hypothesis? What did the data say? And what does that data say about whether value has been realized? Now, as you probably would have guessed already, these reviews can be part of your inspect and adapt sessions, your PI planning, or your quarterly review boards. Now, on top of the quarterly, we also want to do stuff um, as we're moving up to the quarter. We hold 15 to 30-minute forensic check ins every couple of weeks. We take one epic or one small group of features or just one feature and we have small discussions and evaluate whether it's meeting its value proposition. It's not bureaucracy, it's accountability. It's how adaptive governance evolves. Decisions made with evidence, not ego. Because the best PMOs don't manage progress, they investigate value. All right, follow, comment. Talk to you guys later.